how to make glass blur effect in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here and make sure that we are in our project. Now, once we are here, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, upload the picture that we want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this image right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just make this as our background. And once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to crop the image like this. So after that, the next thing that we need to do is to duplicate it. So just duplicate this by clicking this duplicate button right here. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click crop. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to crop it however you want to. So I'm going to crop it like this. And let's say, for example, that this is gonna be your glass blur effect. So the next thing that we need to do once you do that is to click the done button. And then what we're going to do next is to click the edit button right here. And then on the left screen, just scroll down until you see this blur effect. So just click that blur effect right there. And then once you do that, click whole image and then turn the intensity to 50. So it's up to you if you want to adjust the intensity more. So it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then let's go back in our canvas. And then as you can see, we now have this style. Now what we're going to do next is to edit the image, which we're going to add a corner and a border. So what we're going to do for the corner rounding is to adjust this. So let's say, for example, like this one. And then for the border, what we're going to do is to add a border, and we're going to make this color white like that. And then what we're going to do next is to click the edit button right here again. And then we're going to add some shadows. So just click the shadows right here. And then if you click the glow right here, this is what it's going to look like. So you can adjust the size. You could also adjust the blur amount, the color, and the intensity. So you could also change the color, but I will just leave it as it is. And then once you're now done, that is basically it. So once again, that is how to make glass blur effect in Canva.